Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to customize any page on your Shopify store with sections just like your homepage? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to add sections to any page using Shopify Online Store 2.0. Let's get started. First of all, what are sections in Shopify? Sections are flexible content blocks you can add you can add to your store like images, text, testimonials, or videos. In Shopify 2.0, these aren't just limited to the homepage anymore. You can now use them on any page, including about, contact, or custom landing pages. Now log into your Shopify dashboard with your login credentials. Then from the dashboard, go to online store, then pages, click add page, name your page, for example, about us, click add page, then about us, and click save. Now let's assign a custom template to this page so we can add sections. Now go to online store and click customize your theme. In the theme editor, click the drop down at the top and select pages. Give your template a name like about custom and click create template. Now you are editing the page layout especially. Now you are inside the custom template editor. Click add section to click add section to see all blocks you can add like image with text, videos, testimonials, FAQs, featured collections, and much more. Add 2 to 3 sections and rearrange them like that. Image, then click add section, featured product, like that. Drag and drop the sections in any order. Customize the content and styling for each one using the sidebar. Now, once you are happy with the layout, click Save from the right side of the screen. Now go back to Online Store, then click Pages, edit your About Us page under the theme template. Choose the template you just created. Then click Save. Now go to Online Store, review your site, and click the section like Contact. From Home, scroll down, and here it is. Congrats, you have you now have a fully customized page with sections. You can repeat this process for any other pages, services, FAQs, etc. You can also create templates for products, collections, and blog posts using the same method. If you want even more powerful layouts or animations, check out page builder apps like Pagefly, Shogun, or Gem Pages. Just click app, then app and sell channels setting and search for Pagefly for landing page builder. Just install and follow the process. You can watch this video for your trial. This give you drag and drop control and dozens of section templates. And that's it. You have just learned how to add custom sections to any Shopify page using Online Store 2.0. Just go to Online Store from here, then click Customize. Now choose a section from here. You can add apps like Pagefly Shogun. Just click View Apps. Now from here, click Contact Form. You can add video from here. Now click Save from the right side of the screen. Now go to Pages and click Create Template. Name it Custom Contact or About Us. Then click Create Template. Here it is. Then you can settings. You can set it up from here, and that's it. You have just learned how to add custom sections to any Shopify pages using Online Store 2.0. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.